Here is a Honeywell AC-552 ceiling fan from the year 2000, or actually 1999. This is installed in the breezeway of our house, and it is in the white finish because this entire room is white. Yes, this room is to store bikes and needs cleaning. It has one incandescent light, and it is controlled by the wall. These two switches control the fan and light. This one controls the light outside. So, without further ado, start this fan off on the low. As you can see, the blade pitch on this fan is pretty good. It has a nice slow low. I'll turn the light off for you guys. But there is the low speed on the fan. I could feel just a hint of air. This setting is more just for aesthetics purposes, I think. There's the Honeywell logo up there, as you can see. Now you have to get up and pull this chain. I wish the chain was longer on this fan, so I might have to get a stool to do that. But there's low speed. Now we're gonna switch it to medium. All right, let's turn it on to medium. As you can see, it's really quiet. Has a tiny bit of a motor hum. There's the chain. This fan does have a reverse switch somewhere. Oh, it's right there. It's just a light bulb switch. There it is on the medium speed. It's a pretty basic fan, honestly. And no, I can't get up there enough to reach the informations label. So I am sorry to everyone that really wants to see how many amps it takes. But I've gotten up there once with an actual ladder, and I don't have that ladder with me right now. But I could certainly feel the air, especially from down here. And it's still at a relatively slower speed. Here's a view from below the fan. And here's a view from the steps. And if you want a view from the top, there you go. Now let's turn this fan on to high. Let me get myself situated. There's the high speed. It's pushing a lot more air now. Still really quiet for what it is. The fan being 25 to 30 years old. This fan also looks much more modern than the 90s, in my opinion. This fan has very little to no wobble at all, so the balancing on these blades is really good. And it has decent pitch. It pulls a good amount of air. It's good for winter if you want to push the hot air down to the ground. And if you guys want to see the spin down, there's the spin down. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of this ceiling fan. And I'll see you guys on the next one.